We're here at Campus El Segundo to meet the newest professional sports team in town, Rugby Football Club Los Angeles.
I'm one of the few Americans on the squad and one of the few Americans who started playing rugby from a young age. Started at 13 years old. Football was always, the principal sport in my life, but someone told my dad about rugby up in Sacramento and said, hey, Christian should come check it out. And from the minute I got there, I fell in love with it.
So I've been playing rugby since I was probably 7 years old. Love the sport, love the camaraderie that's in the because it's a team sport and it's a good physical sport we like to play. No pads, no helmets, so it's a bit different to the American football, but yeah, I love the sport. Yeah, we love El Segundo. It's such a great area. It's a very hard-working area. We love the facilities that are here. So we've got some great training facilities behind us, and we have a HQ that's located maybe 5 minutes across the road there, and it's a wonderful beach too as well. We go down there for some swimming, some recovery, so it's a great place.
This team had relocated from Atlanta almost 18 months ago, and I wasn't involved in last year's program, but one of the things we wanted to do was to move back to El Segundo. We had a good experience here previously, good community, I really like the town, people are really friendly.
Yeah, the team here in LA, it's a mix of all of these different cultures and backgrounds and guys from various parts of the world. I mean, majority of the international boys are from Australia, but then you sprinkle in a few guys from the UK, New Zealand, South Africa, and also Fiji. And so it's just this breeding ground of different cultures, but our common goal here is we love rugby and we want to win a championship and represent the state of California, and more specifically LA and El Segundo, to the best of our abilities.
1, 2. While some people may not be familiar with rugby, the sport shares several similarities with American football.
It's run forward, pass backwards, that's kind of the main point to explain, but your bigger guys, your front rowers, which are your equivalent of your O-linemen, they're 130, 140 kilos, that's, what are we, almost 300 pounds for some of them, and those guys have to run anywhere from 4 to 5, 6 miles a game, and they've got to be able to catch a football, they've got to be able to pass a football, they've got to be able to tackle, they've got to be able to clean out at the ruck. So it's a game that requires multiple skills. It's a high-paced game, it's a high-collision sport. You've got to be tough, you've got to be smart, and you've got to be able to survive.
Yeah, similarities, especially in the contact area. Like football, rugby's a violent sport, a lot of collisions, minus the helmet, the shoulder pads, and in the leg pads that you wear in the sport of football. But big difference in rugby is it's non-stop. It's 2 40-minute halves, very similar to soccer in the sense that it's very free-flowing, play after play after play until there's a penalty or a stoppage from the ball. It's very, very entertaining from a spectator point of view. I think that's why it's grabbing so much attraction and exposure here in the States, and I think it's only going to continue to grow as the 2031 World Cup is here in America. Very similar to NFL when it comes to scoring, so we call a touchdown a try in the sport of rugby. That's 5 points, football 6 points, and then in rugby, the points after, or the conversion, is an additional 2 if you make it, if you're successful and you get it through the goalpost.
Yeah, we'd love anyone that lives in the LA community or the El Segundo community to come watch our games. We love playing for you guys. We love the support you guys bring and the energy that you have around this town. So please come check our games. We'd really like it to have you there.
To all those who may have heard of rugby or don't even know what the sport is, I just encourage you to come check it out. I promise you it's worthwhile. It's entertaining, it's action-packed, and one of the coolest things is you're gonna be able to come down on the field after the game, meet players. We really advocate for like a family community, family vibe, especially here in LA and in El Segundo, so I just encourage you to come check it out.
These athletes are at the top of their game, and with the sport rapidly gaining traction, all eyes are on what comes next.